And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. What's up, my YouTube friends, viewers, subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger tasting test video. So what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new Peppermint Bark Blizzard. And this is their festive stuff. So they came out with a holiday nog shake. I did that already. It was actually okay. But now it's time to try the peppermint bark. And I remember last year and a year before, I think they came out with a candy cane one. But now it's peppermint. And that's one thing about like with festive things is always like candy cane, peppermint, and like festive stuff, cranberry, all these things. So we will be trying this and we will be seeing just how it is. And honestly, I was like, if they came out with the what's it called? If they come back with the candy cane, what's the point of trying the candy cane blizzard? I did it already. Probably 2 years ago. Look at the spoon. So I was like, you know what? Because I think right now at this moment I'm making this video, it's 2025, and they came out with it 2023, and I tried it, and they came back with it 2024, and I was like, makes no sense for me to try that. But now they have a new one. Now we're gonna see just how this is. Okay, here we go. Wow. You can even taste the peppermint. I think there's some bits of chocolate in there. And I think I'm tasting candy cane. Mm-hmm. Mm. Incredible. Mm. Okay. I, I had to stop myself. I just remember I'm not doing an eating challenge. I'm like trying to. But it's actually delicious, bro. And addicting. Mm. Okay. That's an 8.5 out of 10, hands down. It was like something different. I know it's new, but like definitely worth a try. My book, and the peppermint is rich inside of it. It has like some bits of chocolate, and I could have swore it tastes like candy cane inside it. could have swore it tastes candy cane, but it is new, and like I said, it is limited edition. And right now, in this moment I'm making this video, it's like coming to the end of November, so I'm guessing this is probably gonna be around till like Christmas time, New Year's. But it's actually delicious, bro. And so far, it's been Dairy Queen and KFC who came out with festive stuff that I'm aware of at this moment. But, well, Tim Hortons came out with a Biscoff menu. I'm not quite sure if that is their festive promotion. It almost want to look like it is, but I'm not 100% sure. We'll see. Whatever places come out with festive things, you guys already know I will try it just to see how it is. Yeah, there we go. It is candy cane. Yeah. Or if it's not candy cane, it's something similar to it. So, it's addicting. Oh, and this is actually medium, by the way. Bro, if you get a chance to try it and let me know what exactly you think. I don't know. It sort of depends on, like, what stuff is. Like, if it is candy cane and peppermint. Like, if it's like hot chocolate, or if it's like a blizzard or a shake. Sort of depending on what it is. Because, like, when I was trying this, I literally remember, like, all the times I've tried like festive things. I remember, was it McDonald's or Tim Hortons? One of them, they came out with a peppermint hot chocolate and a candy cane. I think candy cane hot chocolate, bro. This was going crazy, and I was like, I'm trying everything. And it's like, bro, when it's time for festive things, bro. Well, not say festive, like anything in general. Like seasonal things. It's always amaze me, especially when it's coming to Christmas, where places get creative like this. Trust me, it's an amazing feeling trying all these things. So if you get a chance to try it and let me know what exactly you think. I think it was amazing. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. I will be back trying to do more things. You're going to enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.